my YouTube channel. My name is Jeremy from Padonali, and today we have another cooking video. Obviously, today's going to be really fun because this dish we're making is really tasty and it only takes a couple of minutes. But anyway, let's jump straight in. Sigla! So today we are making a meat dish. In Italy it's called tagliata con rucola, which is basically sliced meat with a side of rockets, or rucola translated. But anyway, ingredients, obviously, rockets. And now this is for 4 people. I have, how many do I have? I have 5 pieces of meat this size. So yeah, meat. Freshly shaved Parmigiano Reggiano, balsamic vinegar, and extra virgin olive oil. Now, the reason I don't like to give a certain amount, like 100 grams, blah blah, this and that, is because, for example, if you want more rockets, you can add more rockets. If you want more cheese, you can add more cheese. If you want balsamic vinegar or olive oil, you can add enough for rucola. But anyway, first step is to prepare the salad. Also, by the way, the meat I chose is this nice pan-fried beef steak, which is really good. Now, side salad. Okay, so the first step is to make our side salad, side dish. It's pretty easy. It's pretty easy, very simple steps. So obviously the rucola, rockets, extra virgin olive oil, and balsamic vinegar. And now to mix. Now mix is pretty easy. In fact, we're gonna do it like this instead of using this. Well, if you need help, obviously, but gentle. When you're doing with this, you need to do it gently. So I mean, I prefer doing this instead. And now for the meat. Okay, so now for the meat, I'm gonna turn on my fire to medium high. And now I'm going to wait for the pan to heat up. For the meat, I want it to cook really quickly. No salt, no pepper, that will be after. But while waiting for the pan to heat up, can I just say how quick that side salad took? Like, I mean, that was literally 30 seconds, 3 ingredients. So simple and so easy. I mean, this whole recipe in general is really simple and easy. So we have our beautiful meat right here. So now I'm going to get a piece. Literally 40 seconds each side, like another 30 seconds, and we have to flip them. Okay, now let's twist it. That was literally 40 seconds, I even counted. I mean, look, it's already cooked. The way this recipe was made is that you want the meat to be a little red and pink inside. If you cook it like cook, it won't be a really good meat, you know. Okay, so now for the seasoning. Just one side. Okay, so I moved my meat to this chopping board and left it for 1 minute to become like nice and juicy and tender. So now let's cut the meat. Oh, that was really tender. Look at that. Let the knife do the work for you. Okay, so I finished cutting my meat, and now I'm going to start plating in a sort of clock way. So, and now for the side salad. For the side salad, you want to be really gentle, because otherwise you're going to sort of break your rockets. Now, the piece of resistance, the shaved cheese. touch, we have more balsamic vinegar. Nice. And there you have it, our tagliata con rucola. This literally took 5 minutes. That simple, that easy, and probably gonna be that delicious. Okay, so now obviously my favorite part is to try it. Oh, this is gonna be really good because this dish, we have a piece of meat, some cheese, and rucola. Oh, okay, that's the taste. The meat, nice. The rucola and the cheese really good well together. Obviously, the balsamic vinegar give a nice, wonderful taste. So simple, 5 minutes. That's all it took. And there you have it. That was really simple. But anyway. That was another cooking episode, another really tasty recipe. Thank you all for watching. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, like button, and that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. One more thing, I have a Facebook page, Cooking and Loving. I'm going to check that out. Alla prossima, ciao!